This button has completely changed how I work with AI. For the past 3 months, I've been prompting AI using this exact method, and I can't imagine going back to the old way. Let me show you exactly what this button does and how you can set it up for yourself in less than 3 minutes. And when I say 10,000 prompts, I mean it. I use AI for everything. Content creation, my work as a product manager and a consultant, and due to the amount of prompts I send on a daily basis, this has been a game changer, and I don't use that word lightly. Before this, I was spending way too much time typing out long prompts, sometimes even losing my train of thought. Now I just press this button, speak my thoughts, and then I'm done. Now here's exactly how it works. I use an app called SuperWhisper, but there are other options like WhisperFlow or Better Dictation that you can start using completely for free. I personally use SuperWhisper because the free plan already does exactly what I need. So what I've done is I've mapped SuperWhisper to this button, and when I press it, SuperWhisper starts on the screen that I'm currently at. And I just basically speak my prompt and speak my thoughts, and once I'm done, I just press this button again, and you can see that SuperWhisper pasted it right inside the chat box. Now let's see this live in action. I'm gonna do an impromptu prompt. An impromptu prompt. That's hard to say. Let's open SuperWhisper. I am really into kettlebells and calisthenics workouts. So I like high volume training that I can train at least 5 to 6 times a week without burning myself out, and also not being too sore to train again the next day. I want to do deep research on the best workout programs that I can do that fits my preference. Now, you have deep research mode, but I first need you to create a prompt for me that I can feed to deep research so that it can search for exactly what I'm looking for. If you have any clarifying questions, please feel free to ask me. Now we can see that we typed out that prompt super quickly, right? So what makes this so powerful is that when you speak naturally, you automatically include context that you never bother typing out. Whether that be background information of what you're trying to do, nuanced details, your reasons for why you're requesting the task, it all just flows naturally when you're speaking. And here's the science behind it. So Stanford research shows that when we're typing on desktop, we can do 75 words per minute. When we're on mobile, it's 29% slower than desktop at 53 words per minute. But if we're speaking, it's 161 words per minute, which is twice as fast as desktop typing and 3 times as fast as mobile. And the thing is, modern LLMs like Claude or ChatGPT are very lenient when it comes to transcription errors. So even when voice to text isn't perfect, the AI still understands your intent, and there's very minimal drop-off of its performance. And the real advantage here is context. AI consistently performs better with detailed, natural explanations. So when you speak naturally, you provide the AI that rich context that it needs. Now, you don't have to have this exact mouse with buttons. That's just how I prefer to use it. Actually, SuperWhisper out of the box comes with a keyboard shortcut. Now, if you do have a mouse with buttons, then what you can do is to map out SuperWhisper's keyboard shortcut to a specific button so that you can just click it every time you prompt. Another quick tip also, once you transcribe, it's also better to read through the transcription, even just skimming through it quickly, and correct any errors that you deem are important. For example, a specific word that has to be spelled perfectly. So yeah, set up your voice-to-text transcription using a button or a keyboard shortcut and start speaking out your prompts instead of typing them out. It's amazing how much detail and context you naturally include. And if this button trick helps you perform better with AI, then please hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested with AI in general, then this video would be helpful for you.